on.
No!
Go on. Sing.
Stop! We can't just sing any old thing. We need to sing a song.
Everybody needs something to belong to.
That's more like it.
Everybody needs the sun to shine in spring. Everybody needs a song to sing along to. Yes, everybody needs a song to sing. A bell and a clapper can slap about, but with us, the bell can ring. Ring, ring, ring. A bird in the sky can flap and fly, but with us, the bird can sing.
I can sing.
If you want the bell to ring, if you want the bird to sing, you have to agree you're going to need NG. You can walk up and down with your head in a crown, but with us, you can be king. I'm the king. The bell on your bike can be as shiny as you like, but with us, it can go ting. Ting-a-ling-a-ling. If you want to be the king, if you want your bell to ting, you have to agree you're going to need NG. You can shake that thing if you want it to ring, but with us, it can go ping.
The thing that goes ping.
The bells in the tower can chime on the hour. With us, they can go ding. Ding, ding.
Try again.
If it all goes wrong in the middle of a song, with us, they can go dong. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. If you want the thing to ping, if you want the bells to ding dong ding, you have to agree you're going to need NG.
The thing that goes ping. With me can go pong. Ping. Pong. Ping. Pong. Ping pong. Ping pong. Ping pong. Ping pong.
Ding dong, ding dong, ring 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 ring, ting a ling a ding, ping pong, ping pong, ring ring ring.
Sing, sing, I can sing, I can sing, sing, I can sing, I can sing, sing,
I am a
sing, I can sing, I can sing, sing, I can sing,
I am a king.
I can sing.
If you want the bells to ring, if you want the birds to sing, with NG, you know you can't go wrong. You have to agree you're gonna need NG to sing along to a sing-along song. Everybody needs something to belong to.
Hey, let's go out with a bang!
Everybody needs the sun to shine in spring.
Bang!
Everybody needs a song to sing along to. Yes, everybody needs a song to sing.
Wow, that's here. It's real. The Tower of Rock. But am I good enough?
Yes, of course you are.
Huh?
You've got talent, you've got drive, and you never give up. It runs in the family.
The family? The family of fives. High five! Let's rock!
it up. Plug in the cable. I'm the one and only 5 times table. It's time to come alive and meet your heroes. Some of them end in 5 and some end in 0. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Trust me, you'll go far. 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30. You know who you are. 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45. And here's the next big superstar. 10 5s are 50.
Take it to the top.
1 5 will lend a hand. She's the leader of the band. 5.
High five.
2 5s can take a trip. They can make a rocket ship. 10.
Last off.
'Cause I'm the 5 times table. Start me up and we'll go up in 5s. 3 5s are slightly odd. They're a secret special squad. 15.
Hush, hush. Slightly odd.
4 5s make a great quartet, but you ain't seen nothing yet. 20.
Tap, 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 tap.
'Cause I'm the 5 times table. Start me up and we'll go up in 5s. 5 5s, we're halfway there. 5 5s make a great big square. 25.
Square.
6 5s are neatly stacked. 6 5s are a circus act. 30.
The greatest show in Numberland.
7 5s never come unstuck. 7 5s have 7's luck. 35.
She's a 5 times table.
8 5s will get 'em bigger. They make an impressive figure. 40.
She's a 5 times table.
'Cause I'm a 5 times table. Start me up and we'll go up in 5s. 9 5s step up the pace and take you to a higher place. 45. 10 5s with a gold guitar. 10 5s make a superstar. 50.
High 50.
1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. Trust me, you'll go far. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. You know who we are. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. Here's the next big superstar. 10 5s are 50.
Guitar solo.
Sideways. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. Trust me, you'll go far. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. You know who we are. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. One more time, let's take it to the top. He's the star of the show. 10 5s are 50.
Rock and roll. Oh, yes, high five. What a nice day for a picnic. Naturally, we can't have a picnic without some lovely green grass. And some red flowers.
No picnic would be complete without a bright blue sky. Oop. Blue! Ha! Now, where's yellow?
I'm here! Look, everyone! I've got the most important thing of all! A yellow picnic basket!
Exciting! Ooh! Huh?
Cool!
Oh, this picnic blanket should be red! Hey! Why is only some of it red?
I think this blanket is supposed to be red and blue. Huh? Maybe we need some help.
Green!
Yellow!
Hooray! The picnic blanket is a perfect pattern of
Red.
Yellow!
green.
And blue. So, some things can be lots of colours.
Oh, all this colouring has made me super hungry. Can we start the picnic now, please?
Happily!
Oh, strawberries should be red.
Yum! Naturally delicious.
Oh, look! A lovely bunch of yellow bananas!
Cool. What else have you got in there, Yellow?
I've got some pears.
Oh, leave those to me. Green pears.
I think it's time for some blue food. How about a blue banana?
Bananas aren't blue, they're yellow!
Shall we try it?
What? Colour it a silly colour?
Why not? It'll be funny!
Blue!
Blue bananas are very strange!
Whoa! Come here, blue banana. Look,
Blue bananas are so funny!
Phew! I think I'll stick with yellow bananas. At least they don't chase you.
I think it's time for some more silly colouring.
Yes! Let's see what other things we can colour differently.
Let's do it! Look! I'm going to colour these strawberries yellow!
Exciting! Me next! Red! Ooh. Look! The red grass is bouncy!
Yippee!
Woohoo!
Let's try some bright green clouds. Green!
Silly colouring makes me happy.
Whoa!
Oh, I'm hungry again.
Picnic this way.
Phew! I'm glad it's a yellow banana. I'm too hungry for a silly blue one.
It's good to colour things the colour they're meant to be.
But it's cool to have silly colouring time too.
You never know what fun things might happen.
Uh-oh! Here we go again! Oh, what a nice night. A perfect night for stargazing. Let's go.
But, Millie, we can see the stars from here.
The sky is so much bigger at Starry Hill. It'll be fun.
Will it?
We might even see some shooting stars. You can make a wish.
I wish we could go back to our warm tent.
It's so dark.
Good thing one of us came prepared. Oh,
Don't worry, we can still see. Just about.
let's just go home.
No, Lou, we can't give up.
Millie, please. We're going to get lost without a
Light.
Exactly.
No, Lou, look. A light just there. Maybe it's someone with a torch.
Or a cosy fire.
Ooh, look, a mysterious cave. Wow, maybe it's a new folky friend.
These symbols do look familiar. Let's check in the Big Book of Forest Folk. Yes, look here. Same symbols. Julie is a bold, brave flying folkie with extraordinary glowing, glimmering powers.
He could help light our way to Starry Hill. We have to meet him.
Now, let's not rush, Millie. Let's just... Oh, Let's just go inside.
Wow, it's amazing in here.
Oh, nobody's home. Let's get back to the tent and have a hot chocolate.
Huh?
I'm just a rock.
Hey, Julie, but the book said you're a forest folkie, not a rock.
The book? I'm in the book? What book?
The Big Book of Forest Folk. But maybe it's not you. It says bold and brave.
No, that's me, all right. Wow, is that how I used to be? Oh.
Julie, we're heading for Starry Hill, but we don't have a torch. Could you light the way?
Starry Hill. I miss that place.
Please come with us.
Come with you. You mean leave my cave at night in the scary forest? Are you crazy?
What's so scary about the forest?
What isn't scary about it? There are wild, dangerous animals everywhere, like moths, and then there are all sorts of horrible hazards, like muddy puddles, and the most scary of them all, pineapples.
Pineapples?
But there are no pineapples in the forest.
I know. You can just fly us over the forest.
No way! I've given up flying. Too risky without my coin of courage. I lost it flying one day. I've been afraid of all kinds of things ever since.
It's normal to be scared, Julie. I'm scared of all kinds of things. And Lou is too.
No, I'm not.
You know, I've got something like your coin.
It's not a pineapple, is it?
No, it's my brave button. When I'm feeling scared, I give it a squeeze, and I always feel better.
A brave button. Wow.
What's so brave about a button?
I don't know. It just is, Lou. You take it, Julie, and see if it makes you feel better too.
Thanks, Millie. I feel so much braver already. Oh, and what a lovely time to be out in the forest. That's enough for one night. Bye!
Julie, come on. Don't worry. Me and Lou are here. And remember, you have the brave button.
Oh, brave button. Brave button.
Julie, you're glowing brighter.
Oh, yeah. That happens when I'm feeling brave. Oh, the button must be working.
Hooray! Time to find Starry Hill.
Yeah! Let's go! Oh, as long as we don't meet any pineapples. Oh.
Left, then right, and straight on from here.
Oh, there are so many noises in the forest.
Don't worry, Julie. With the brave button, you don't need to be scared of anything.
Oh, yeah. Of course. Hey! Nobody move! Danger alert!
What is it?
Look! A stone moving on its own!
It's just a snail.
Aw, he's so cute.
It was just a snail.
See? The forest is less scary already.
True. Oh, terrifying noise!
That's not terrifying. It's Millie's squeaky boots.
Oh, yeah. That isn't my boots. It's...
The tummy rumble of a big monster who is very hungry.
It's just some absolutely harmless frogs.
Oh, cute.
See, Julie? Nothing to worry about.
Yeah, I do feel much better. Oh, no. Wait. Come on, Julie. Think. It's, just 2 musical crickets.
Well done, Julie.
Oh, thanks, Millie. Oh, I'm feeling much calmer.
Whoa, look, Julie. You're glowing even brighter.
All thanks to the brave button. Oh, it's really working.
Almost there. Just need to find the bridge.
Can't see it. Let's just go home to our cozy tent.
Oh, I was so looking forward to seeing Starry Hill.
What if, I suppose I could hop us across the river?
That would be great, Julie. If you feel brave enough.
Yes, I can try. It's only a short hop.
Are we really doing this?
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Ah! Wow, did I just jump? Did I jump? Oh, hooray! I did jump! I jumped! Oh, this button really works. Hey, maybe I could fly you the rest of the way to Starry Hill?
Yeah, what a great idea.
Wait a moment! Ah!
Here we come, Starry Hill! Wow! I'm flying! All thanks to my brave button! Ah, no! My button! I can't fly without my button! Ah! Are you okay down there?
I think so.
Oh, yeah. Apart from a crash landing in a sticky bog, everything's just great.
Oh, how do I help? Can I help? Oh, I can't help.
Julie, whoa. Can you fly down and pull us out?
Fly down? Without my button? No way. I'll go for help. No, it's too dark. I'll wait until sunrise, then go for help.
Yeah, no rush. We can just stand here all night.
Please, Julie, you can do it.
Not without my brave button. I'm too scared.
Julie, please, we're sinking.
Oh, I can do this. No, I can't. Yes, I can. No, I can't. Yes, I can. I can do
Yay! Woo! Thanks for rescuing us, Julie.
And without a button or a coin.
You're so brave.
Me? Brave? I suppose I am. I'm Julie, and I'm brave!
Yay! This is amazing, isn't it, Lou?
If you say so, Millie!
Here you go, Starry Hill.
Whoa!
It's so beautiful.
I'm glad we came here, Millie. You were right. This view is amazing.
And it's about to get even better.
What's he up to now?
Here goes, and... Wahoo! Yeah!
Hey, Lou, you know what? There's no need to fix anything in the book.
Yes! Julie is a brave folkie after all.
Whee!
Ooh, maybe Julie could fly us back home too.
No. That's okay. We can walk. It's not that far.
You're not afraid of heights, are you?
No, I'm not afraid of anything.
Good day. Hello. I'm so excited. I am having a dance party.
Excellent.
Who's going to come to my party? I will.
I will.
Of course I will. It's my party. Who else is coming?
I am.
Did you just call yourselves I? You can't say I. It's my name. See? Mine. Only I can say I. I'm simply the best I've found. You'll never do it, so don't even try. I don't need you others around. I shall have my party by myself. I don't need friends. Who wants to dance? I do. I'll go first. We're IGH, and everything's looking right.
With IGH, you're gonna see the I light. Stay right here, 'cause tonight is a party. I night. I. Did you say I?
We all did.
Only I can say I. I. When I'm with E, it's as easy as making up I pie. I go with E like a clown with a trick bow. I tie. Cross my heart, we'd never tell her. I lie. I am a bright blue butterfly. I am made of stinky cheese. I don't need friends. I mean, nobody likes me. Somebody likes me.
We all do. You're our friend.
It's true.
We
I like you. And I like you too. I. And when Magic E does his magic on me, then it's time for me to shine. I'm staying alive. I will survive, and together we'll be fine. I feel fine. This is fun. I like sharing my name. Everybody, let's dance. We're IGH, we say I. When I'm with E, we say I. And when Magic E does his magic on me, we say I. Yes, you can be my friends. No word of a lie, friends. And with you by my side, we're gonna be flying high.
A 1, 2. A 1, 2, 3, 4.
Too slow. You're too fast.
I can't keep up.
Stop! That was one awful sound. We need someone to sort us out. Oh, a shooting star. Make a wish. Oh, it's star-shaped. Who's it for? Me!
Well, I'm the biggest.
I'll go first.
4
+1
equals
5. I am 5. I feel so alive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points.
a star is born.
I don't know about that. Take a look. High five. High five. Oh. A big hand for you. High five. 5 minus 1.
Equals 4.
Ooh.
And who are you?
I'm 5, and you can count on me to get this party started. 5 members in my band. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers on one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High five!
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 To the side, up above, down low, too slow. High
Ooh, I feel so alive. You know that you've arrived when you're with number 5. 5 points on a shooting star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seats on my motor car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High five!
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 To the side, up above, down low, too slow. High five! Ooh, I feel so alive. You know that you've arrived when you're with number 5. 5 fish fingers on a plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bars on a 5-bar gate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm 5. Ooh, I feel so alive. You know that you've arrived when you're with number 5. I'm number 5, and I hope you understand. Whenever you need help, I'll be there to lend a hand. Now the band is all together, the rest can join the queue. We'll be 5 stars forever, and there's nothing we can't do. 5 questions on our lips.
Who? What?
When?
Where?
Why? 5 acrobats doing flips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High five!
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 To the side, up above, down low, too slow. High five! Ooh, I feel so alive. You know that you've arrived when you're with number 5. 5 birds, 5 trees, 5 flowers, 5 bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody do the big hand jive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 strings on a 5-string bass.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 rockets going up to space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High five!
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 High five! Ooh, I feel so alive. You know that you've arrived when you're with number 5. It's a colourful world, it's a world of colour. And where would we be without red? Red! The colour of jellies and ribbons and bows. The colour of wellies and roses in rows. In a flower bed, it's a colourful world. And where would we be without red?
It's a colourful world, it's a world of colour. And where would we be without blue? The colour of bluebirds and blueberry pie. You always need blue for the sea and the sky. Yes, you know it's true. It's a colourful world. And where would we be without blue?
And where would we be without yellow? The happiest colour I know. I'm the sunniest, funniest fellow, with all of my ducks in a row. With mustard and custard, bananas and cheese, canaries and corn cobs, and butter and peas. Yellow's as happy can be, 'cause yellow's the colour of me.
It's a colourful world, it's a world of colour. And where would we be without green? Give me a call for green peppers and peas. You'll find me in all of the leaves on the trees. In a nature scene, it's a colourful world. And where would we be without green?
And where would we be without orange? The colour of carrots and beans. There's no way to rhyme the word orange. Instead we can say clementines.
Purple is perfect for kings and for queens, for kale and for cabbage and ripe aubergines. I like to walk round in my cloak and my crown, imagining life in Purple Town. Black and white, dark and light. Mix them, that's how grey is made. With black and white and dark grey and light grey. Now you've got light and shade.
It's a colourful world. It's a colourful world. It's a colourful world.
It's a colourful world, it's a world of colour. And where would we be without pink? The colour of seashells, carnations and cake. You'll always find me in a strawberry shake. It's my favourite drink. It's a colourful world. And where would we be without pink?
It's a colourful world, it's a world of colour. And where would we be without brown? The colour of boxes and chocolate spread, my toasty brown socks and my tasty brown bread. And when the leaves fall down, it's a colourful world. And where would we be without brown?
And where would we be without red and blue?
Yellow and green and purple too.
Where would we be without orange and pink and brown?
But this is just the start. There's a whole other part you can do.
Why stop at the rainbow when a colour adventure is waiting for you?
There are millions of colours for you to discover. More than we could ever have known. It's a colourful world. So why not make some colours of your own?
Exciting!